Welcome to Nettie's Amazing House. Welcome to Nettie's Amazing House. Jumbo shrimp. Jumbo shrimp. Garlic, spicy jumbo shrimp today. I already prepared my onion, now my green scallion, my green onions, hot pepper, and garlic. And I'll be using paprika, lemon pepper. Yes, I only have the one in the bag. Some fish powdered seasoning, soup mix. Didn't have no fish seasoning, so I saved the soup mix. Remove the noodles. I'll sieve it just to get out the noodles and use only the powder. Garlic powder, onion powder, all-purpose, and sea salt. Add whatever seasoning you like. And oh yes, have some Cajun seasoning. First I'll add in my Cajun. This should give it a nice red color. My smoked paprika. More color. A little bit of all-purpose. A little bit of all-purpose. And my fish seasoning. Onion powder, garlic powder, and sea salt. Now for my cut up seasoning, my garlic, pepper, and onions, scallion. And yes, I'm gonna just tip in a bit of my pickle that I made for my fish, just a little. So this is butter, garlic, spicy garlic shrimp. Here it is. I'll cover this and leave it for about an hour to marinate. Welcome to Nettie's Amazing House. Welcome to Nettie's Amazing House. Welcome to Nettie's Amazing House. Pow. Pot is hot, so now I'll add in my butter. There it is. Time to dump in my pan. Get it all coated with that butter. These are a bit bigger shrimp, so it will take more than that 5 minutes. And I like to stir my shrimp while it's cooking. fire is high. Yes, guys, I want my fire to be really, really high. Now you see why I use this pot, because of the depth. When you're storing, it gives you space so that you can always store the shrimp and fly out of the pot. This is the reason why I use this deep pot. 'Cause I know, I know, I know, I know. Guys, my shrimp is ready. It's ready. They're ready, guys. They're ready. They're ready. They're ready. Look at that. Welcome to Netty's Amazing House. Welcome to Netty's Amazing House. Welcome to Netty's Amazing House. Juicy, buttery, garlic, pepper shrimp. Turn the fire off. There it is. Off. Here's my shrimp. Smell of vision. Don't you want? Smell of vision. Delicious, juicy, hot pepper shrimp. I'm scared to taste it because I know it's fiery hot. So, from my amazing house to yours, one love. Garlic, buttery, peppery, hot, jumbo shrimp. One love. Let's dive in. Let me dive in. Wow. Look at this. Wow. So good. So hot. This is awesome. This is good. My nose running. This is Good. Mm. I want the juice. Mm. Whew. My nose. But look at this. This is so good, guys. Look at this. Wow. Can you see? It's hot. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. This is pepper shrimp.